what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations. Today we're doing the song Main Thing by Ariana Grande, right? We're gonna play this with basic chords, literally 3 chords, guys, which you kept on fret number 2, and make sure your guitar's in center tuning. Alright, so the first chord is a G. Right here I'm plucking strings 6, 4, 3. 6, 4, 3. And G is basically 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 1. Right? And then we go to A minor, that's the second chord, and we're plucking 6, 5, 4, and if you don't know how to hold A minor, it's 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. And then we go to G again, and play the same strings, back to A minor, and then this time we're going to play the D at the end, alright? And D is 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 2. And here we're plucking strings 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we have G to A minor, G again to A minor, and then throw a D. So my strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And that's pretty much it for the whole song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.